Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see about a super and amazing Android launcher. It's called Lynx launcher. It will be look like same as like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just get into the video. So download the Lynx launcher application from the Play Store first. You can see this is the Lynx launcher, and you can find the clock widget on the top and also the search bar on the top. You can find a app driver. You can just swipe side so you can find the app driver. So it's actually so smooth and so fast. You can see how it's look like, and it's so easy to browse the application. It's so fast actually. So the same look like. You can use this app driver icon. If you just need it, swipe up to open the widget gallery. Here you can add more widgets like you just used normally. So I'm just going to add how it's, you can just add the widgets and you can just long press it, you can just move it, you can just resize the widget, you can just edit the widget, you can place wherever you just need it. It's an app gallery, widget gallery like that. And long press it, you can just add the widget on the home screen too. You can find a different type of widgets with a category of widgets. You can just place here. You can just resize by clicking here, and you can remove it and you can just resize it, and you can just place wherever you just need it. So it's super launcher. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable launcher. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.